Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can open YouTube app in Chrome on your Android. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, and be sure to write your comments. So friends, let us get down to our topic. And let's say if you don't want to open the YouTube app the way you're used to, and you want to do it through Chrome, then I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. So, first of all, please open Chrome on your Android. Next, friends, when you open Chrome, so when you open Chrome, you'll need to type YouTube into search. And when you do, you'll need to tap and hold on the word YouTube. So until you get a little menu like this. From that, you can choose either the first or the second option. If you want to open YouTube in incognito mode in the future, you can choose the third option. So when you choose to open in the group, look, YouTube will appear right here, right at the bottom. And if you click on that icon, you'll see the YouTube app only in Chrome. And when you go into Chrome, you can easily switch to YouTube. This is the way, friends, you'll be able to open YouTube in Chrome on your Android very easily. I hope this video has helped you and was useful for you. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.